It's important to consider how much of your working salary you'll need in retirement. On average, the CalSTRS Defined Benefit replaces 50 to 60% of a career educator's salary. Yet financial planners recommend replacing 80 to 90% of your working salary to maintain your current standard of living. The difference between the amount of money your CalSTRS monthly retirement benefit will provide and the amount you'll need in retirement is known as the gap. It's important to set realistic savings goals and take steps today so you'll be able to meet your income needs in retirement. There are several ways you can bridge the gap between your retirement benefit and your retirement income goal. Most importantly, invest in a supplemental savings account sooner rather than later. Consider opening a tax-deferred savings account such as a CalSTRS Pension 2 account. Pension 2 has low costs and low fees, plus flexible investment options that fit your needs. You can also purchase service credit and work longer. Both of these steps will increase your CalSTRS monthly benefit amount. When you retire, you can choose to receive your defined benefit supplement account funds as a lifetime monthly annuity rather than a lump sum. This way, you'll have more money coming in each month. After you retire, you can work outside of the California public education system for additional income. Take a few minutes to review the Retirement Income Gap worksheet in the CalSTRS Member Handbook and watch the CalSTRS Pension 2 overview video. You can also sign up for relevant CalSTRS webinars at calstrs.com/webinars to learn more. Be your own advocate and start early to close the gap.